I am having a ball right now just hitting this ramp. I am having a ball right now just hitting this ramp. So easy to make, pretty cheap. Wow. We are up there. Probably not catching it on the GoPro quite right. That's usually how it works, is when I do something really cool or awesome, I never seem to catch it. Not looking up enough or whatever. I got the GoPro on the old hat. What's up, bud? All right, let's back up, buddy. As you see, like I was saying earlier, these ramps, they're light. Even the all wooden one is super light. I don't know what it weighs. If you're interested, I could always weigh it. But they also, oh, something happened. But they hold up. But anyway, we're gonna stop it right there. I think, pretty sure the battery went undone. We're gonna stop it right there. And thanks for watching. We're gonna say hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We greatly appreciate it. And thanks for watching RC Brucey. Gonna say goodbye to Talk? Say see you later.